Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So, before we get started, you will want to grab a SIM eject tool, similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip. Straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Next, you will want to take off the case. There we go. And our tray is located at the bottom of the phone, right over here. So grab your tool in the insert area, which is closer to the corner of the device, and just push it in. And when you do, you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now, this is a HUAWEI device, so sometimes they might have a nano memory, but there is no kind of marking like that on here. So it looks like this device only takes dual SIM card or single SIM and one eSIM. Now, grab your card and place it like so on the tray. Make sure it's clipped in correctly. You can just kind of squeeze it in there, as we do have a retention bracket that holds it in place. So when you flip it over, it should not be falling out of the tray. And then just pop it back in. Now, I'm not sure why there is no nano memory support, which is basically the HUAWEI's proprietary kind of format for SD cards, which is the same size as the SIM, but it looks like it's not present right here, unfortunately. Maybe it just never sold too well. Anyway, once you insert your card, it should automatically start working, and oh boy, this is the stupidest shit. HUAWEI is one of those retarded companies that gives you a setup and then completely disregards the setup that you have gone through because you insert a SIM card from a different country, and these dumb cunts now change your language to the language of the SIM card. It's not like my phone was in a different language for a effing reason there. Anyway, we're going to type in our PIN, and I'm going to quickly show you how we can undo this stupidity, because apparently Winnie the Pooh can't do it himself. So when your phone changes without your permission to some bullshit language that you never gave permission to change it to, never wanted it, you'll need to navigate into the settings. And I'm going to be saying the names of it, but the easiest way for you to do this is by looking at the pictures, as they don't change based on the language. So that's the settings icon, that's what you're looking for. And here we're going to scroll all the way down to where is it? I believe it's going to be the second last option to system and updates. So blue icon. And language, there we go. So we have language and region at the very top. And here, I want to point out, when I started this, I had English in here. Not only did this piece of shit decided to or change the language to Polish, it also removed the English from the list, as the second option right here is add a language, right? I'm going to click on that, and we're going to add the language that we shouldn't need to add because it was set by default. Stupid piece of shit. There we go. I'm going to change it by clicking on this button. I do want to point out when changing your language and pressing the confirm button, which is this one right here, if you are selecting language that is being read from right to left, and every option now switches back to this side, right? These options will actually be also flipped. But this is for only like I'm actually not sure which languages those would be, but anyway, if you read it from the opposite side, then literally like most of the world, then just know that these options are flipped as well. Now, when you change it, as you can see, it now shows you two different languages. So this piece of shit decided to remove one of those languages when, or not even remove it, add one language and remove the other one when inserting a SIM card. It seems like such a moronic design and completely defeats the purpose of a effing setup. If you're going to be changing my language without my permission, it would have been at least nice if you, like HUAWEI, decided to ask you, but it doesn't. So some of you might end up with just some BS language that you might not speak just because you moved there to the country, or maybe you're on vacation and it's cheaper for you to pick up that SIM card. Well, congrats. Now you have your phone in a language that you don't speak. Anyway, when you select the change option, it automatically should select the language back to the one that we should have had. And you can also delete this one, but it really doesn't matter, so you can just close this up. Now, in any case, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.